National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania, Montgomery County in southeast Pennsylvania, western Philadelphia County in southeast Pennsylvania, Delaware County in southeast Pennsylvania, northwestern Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, northern Newcastle County in northern Delaware, northeastern Cecil County in northeast Maryland, Chester County in southeast Pennsylvania, northwestern Salem County in southern New Jersey, until 8 p.m. At 7:18 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms moving east at 40 miles per hour. These storms are capable of producing 1-inch diameter hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorms will affect the following locations, among others: Royersford, Phoenixville, Exton, Marshallton, King of Prussia, Radnor, Ambler, Norristown, Hockessin, Paulsburg. This line of severe thunderstorms has a history of producing wind damage. This severe thunderstorm may contain little or no lightning. Do not wait to hear thunder before taking cover. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Chester, Delaware, Montgomery and Philadelphia, and Newcastle County, Delaware, and Cecil County, Maryland, and the following counties in New Jersey, Gloucester, and Salem. The official National Weather Service forecast for Philadelphia and the Delaware Valley.